Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. One of my wife's favorite dish is pork and beans served with rice. Of course, that's her Puerto Rican, Cuban background. I wanted to show you how to cook it today using the pressure cooker. Pressure cookers are very safe now and easy to do, and it will take close to 3 hours for those beans to cook. There it will be an hour. See, you put it on top, and the gauge here will go up when the pressure goes up, and when you see those red lines, the pressure is on, then you can put it on very, very low. 1 hour it will be cooked. So I put everything in there. So what I have here is half a pound of beans. I just washed it, and those are red beans. I have 3 cups of water, cold water from the tap, a teaspoon and a half of salt, half a cup of tomato, with 3/4 cup of tomato. Then I have baby rib here without the rib. Sometimes they come without the rib, sometimes with the rib. As you can see, those are cut here. And those are the back rib, they are tender. And I have a pound and a half here, which is enough for like 3-4 people. Okay. I have about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic here that I'm going to do very coarsely like this. Okay, put my garlic in there. I have a large onion here, about 2 cups of coarsely, or diced rather, inch diced onion, doesn't really matter. So a lot of seasoning in there. I have a leek here. And again, put that leek in. This is less Puerto Rican and more French with the leek. So all of that goes in there. I'm going to put a teaspoon of Italian seasoning here, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, again some frozen cilantro stem. When I buy cilantro, I cut the stem and freeze them. Keep that in the freezer, and on dishes like this, the stem give a wonderful flavor. Well, you have a bunch, and that's probably close to 1/4 cup. I have 2 carrots, maybe 1 cup of carrot peeled. And finally, I'm going to put some jalapeno in there, about a couple of tablespoons. Remember that in those hot pepper, the seed and the rib are the strongest. So sometimes you put some, sometimes you don't. You should test it anyway, because most of the time, this part is pretty hot, but sometimes they are not. So here I have the whole mixture, and we'll serve that with rice. This will come to a boil. Close it. Up, it closed, and we'll wait until the pressure goes off, and after that, 1 hour. 1 cup of rice, Carolina regular rice. Some people wash the rice, some don't. I don't really. 2 cups water, 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. It's always 1 to 2, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and that's all there is to it. I bring that to a boil, uncovered, stir it a couple of times so it doesn't stick. Okay, you can see that my rice has come to a boil now. I stir it one last time, cover it, and on very, very low, as low as you can. At the same time, you can see that the pressure cooker here is getting to the red line, with a couple of red lines here, and this is it. So now again, I will put that on very low, 1 hour. Now what you want to do is to decompress your pressure cooker on top here, and you can see the thing is off.
You got to press on it.
I see a little more. It doesn't let you open it really until all the air is out, all the pressure is out. You know, depending how old your beans are, sometimes they are 2 years, 3 years old, you have to test it. This, I end up cooking almost an hour and a quarter. After an hour, it was not quite cooked enough. So you have to test it. And I've cooked it sometimes 45 minutes is enough. So here it is. The pork and beans. We have the rice here. Remember, the rice was cooked just with water. What you have to do when it finished cooking like this, like now, you have to fluff it. And this is it. Rice and beans. The way Gloria, I love it. Bit of rice next to it. Maybe a bit of cilantro on top. A couple of pieces. Maybe a little dash of tabasco. And this is it. Pork and beans with rice. Happy cooking.